So I got myself some universal fitment mud flaps off of eBay. I'm going to stick them on the combo van. They're down here. We're going to take a quick look and then I'm going to go out and attempt to make them fit. Don't know if they will. They might need a bit of persuasion. So these are the bad boys. Quality wise, I think they're quite good. They're high quality thick rubber. I'm not too sure what's going on with these circles, but we'll see how they go. Okay, so yesterday I tried to fit these onto the van. Went to take the wheels off. Turns out I made a bit of a boo-boo last time I was working on it. Completely chored up the locking wheel nuts. So I had to buy a new locking wheel nut key off of eBay. It cost me 20 quid. That's more than the mud flaps cost me. No, that's the wrong way round. That's the one. Okay, so it's supposed to go something like that. I'm not too sure how the fitment's going to go. Something like that. How does that look? It's a bit bloody close to the wheel. You can see why I want mud flaps. Check that out. You know what? I think it's actually going to be easier to do it, at least start it with the tyre on. So I'm going to do the side that's got the tyre on. At least get the first screw in anyway and hang it, and then level it up from there, I think. So have a go at this. Okay, so we're all done. Mud flaps are on. I think they look pretty good considering their universal fitment. I wasn't sure they were going to fit on at all. So I have a couple of bits of advice if you're planning something similar for your own vehicle. One, if you can get or afford OEM original manufacturers mud flaps that specifically fit your vehicle, do that because universals are no fun. But having said that, I think for the price, I think they were 13 quid, something like that, 12.99 I think. You know, they're going to do the job and they don't look half bad at all. Two, if you're going to do it, what I would do would be to do it by eye on your first one. So just line it up how you think it looks good, and then take a lot of measurements from that and then try and replicate that on the other side. That's my only advice. Good luck. Now unfortunately, because it was quite sunny outside, I couldn't get many good shots of the mud flaps. You can't hardly see them in the video because the tyre's black, the wheel well's black, the arch is black and the mud flaps are black. And couple that with sun and shadows, it's pretty difficult to see. But from having a look myself, I can say that they don't exactly look factory fitted, but they're definitely good enough. I'll definitely keep them. I'm going to keep them on there. When I get some bigger wheels as well, some fatter wheels, that's going to fill out the arches a little bit more. So I took that into account when I mounted the mud flaps. They do stick out a little bit from the wheel arch. So yeah, that's it. Another job done on the combo. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you didn't, and consider subscribing. That'd be really nice of you. Yeah, I'll catch you on the next one.